Hey guys, so today's video is going to show you how to kind of get a mild version of Android Auto for iDrive 5 and 6. Ever since the 2019 and up LCI, they just cut Android Auto from iDrive 5 and 6, which is a big bummer. But this app called AAIDRIVE has so many features that are very, very similar to Android Auto, if not better. You just have to have My BMW downloaded. If you have Connected Drive, even better. If you don't have Connected Drive, the subscription for BMW, you can contact me below and we can code your car to be able to have this. It's a last resort if you don't want to dig into your iDrive and take your dash apart. You just go into the Play Store, you type in AAIDRIVE and you download it. Once you download it, you're going to go ahead and open it, and then you're going to see that it's connected. Once it's connected, you're able to see so much more on the iDrive. For example, I have YouTube Music instead of Spotify. I'm able to play full screen music albums. I'm also able to see my entire music list on my heads-up display. Let me show you what that looks like real quick. When you start scrolling on the steering wheel, you'll see all your music right here instead of going song by song. And if you click it, it'll just select the song. Now for the music section, you can have a lot of different kind of music apps. I use YouTube Music, so it just pops up with all my music libraries. I don't have to select song by song or go on my phone. You also have Google Assistant. You can just press the control button on the steering wheel and you can have Google do whatever command that you give it instead of using the BMW, which is so much more handy since it's connected right to your phone. You can open apps, you can close apps, you can call people, you can go back. And then here is another really nice option that I love with this app. Let's just say that you have an address and you go into Google. For example, I did Disney Springs. Hold down the address to whatever location that you're going and it'll pop up as AAIDRIVE for map. So you click on the map here and it will automatically show up on your iDrive. So yeah, once you click it, you just press it and it'll pop right away on the iDrive. So handy. If you go back and you go into notifications, now this is pretty cool. Let's say you have a passenger with you in the seat and you don't want notifications to pop up from your phone. You have an option to either turn it on or off, which is pretty cool if you want to stay private. You can have your message notifications pop up. You can have them speak up when somebody texts you or calls you. You can quick reply to people. And they constantly update this app, which is what I really like about this company. This is what it looks like on the iDrive. You can go into media. All your apps will show up. You can also have police scanners if you like. So I have YouTube Music and it just has all the songs that you have. Search for a song, go to browse, and you can search right here and it'll search all of YouTube. And for example, let's go here, click OK, and all the songs for this artist will pop up. And you can do this for any artist that you like. And that's pretty much it for AAIDRIVE. It's a very simple, quick video. Once again, I just wanted to put it out just so you guys can have something to work with until they either have an update for us, which is highly unlikely at this point, or you want to retrofit and install the MMI box, which I will link at the bottom of the video if you guys are interested. But there you go. Till next time, guys. Have a good day.
Alright, that's not good. Alright, you guys need to open up. Take a step back. Take a step back.
He wants to go for it.
Alright, we need to make sure we pass that on video. There you go. Alright, you're gonna do 3 reps. Ready? Go.